Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna give you tips to edit a retro vibe photo at EPIK. So here I've already import my photo, and then you can crop it if you want, but if not, it's fine. So just go to filter and then find retro, this one, and choose Hong Kong. Okay, you can adjust it into your liking. I'm going to just go with 80, and then next go to effects and find retro, and in here choose rec, this one's. Okay, you can set the effects into these settings, but if you're not going to just set it into your liking, so I'm going to set the glitch into 100 and the noise into 12, and oops, and the intensity I'm going to also set it into 12, and last, the filter I'm going to set it into 80, like that. And then after that you can add any text if you want, so I'm going to just go with text, and here I'm going to write a year, for example, like this. And you can change the font into your favorite font, but now I'm going to just choose in here I'm going to use Thin Man, and here adjust the size of the text and position it like this, and delete parts of it to make it look like the text is behind the person. Okay, so just I'm going to delete part of it like this. Okay, just click on the check icon, and then you're done. So here is the before, and here is the retro vibe photo. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this content, don't forget to click thanks below, leave a comment, and also click on the thumbs up icon. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.